Hi, to enable and disable pocket mode on your Samsung Galaxy S25, go in Phone Settings first. From here, find Display tab, select it, and after that, scroll down and find the Accidental Touch Protection. Here it is. And to activate Pocket Mode, you need to simply activate this feature, Accidental Touch Protection. So you can protect your phone from accidental touches when it's in a dark place, such as a pocket or your bag. So if you can see that switcher is blue, then the feature is turned on. And to disable Pocket Mode, just tap it again, and your screen will go back to its usual sensitivity. And if something's not working right, then make sure that you set everything correctly. And also you can try to reboot the phone and make sure that it is updated to the latest version. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.